Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and today's video I'm going to show you on how to simply make Firefox a default browser on Windows 11 laptop. So let's see. Right, so the very first thing you want to do is to simply come down below right here. Make sure you click on your start menu, and this is going to pop up. Next thing you need to do is to simply navigate to settings, and the next thing you need to do is to simply navigate to apps. It takes you right there. The next thing you need to do is to simply go to default apps. It takes you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down to web browser. So click on web browser, and this is going to pop up. Next thing you need to do is to simply switch to Firefox. And with that, you have your Firefox browser as your default browser on Windows 11 laptop. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to choose and how you make a Firefox a default browser on Windows 11 laptop. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.